Hey folks, just quickly talking about the autumn family portrait that we've got up on our screen here inside of Lightroom. First of all, I just want to say that we were shooting with the Sony a7 III for this particular image. We shot with the 135mm f1.8 Sigma art, and here are the EXIF data of this image here. We're shooting at 1/800th of a second at f2 with a nice low ISO of 100. We've got everybody nicely in focus over here because we've placed them equidistant to the camera. In other words, all on the same plane of focus, okay? Another interesting fact about this image is that we actually planned our colors to be coordinated properly with the autumn scenery that we've got in the background here. So you can see we've got the yellows over here, the browns and yellows of their outfits, okay, and Mom's shawl over here. And of course, the other factor that we played with over here was the complementary colors. The blues and the yellows were playing together very, very nicely over here. This is shot in natural light, and let me show you what the edit or the final edit looked like. It's this image right here. So there is the final edit. We started here and we finished with this end result over here. So folks, thank you very much for tuning in to today's quick little overview of this image. It is inside of the membership, so I'd love to invite you guys today to check it out, and we'll see you in the next session. Ciao.